How to fix add music to profile not showing on Instagram. Hey guys, if you want to go ahead and fix this problem, this is the right video for you. If we head over to our Instagram application right here, and if you click on your profile icon, you should be able to add the music on your profile right here. As you can go ahead and see, I already have a music on my profile, but if you want to add one, you simply want to click on edit profile, and once inside you have the music option. From here, you can then go ahead and choose a song for your profile. In case this option is not showing up, you then want to head over to your app store right here. Now, since this is one of the newest features on Instagram, you simply want to make sure that your Instagram application is up to date. Right after searching Instagram, go ahead and open up the official application, and from here you want to make sure that there are no update buttons available. Right after that, head over to your system settings, and from here you can just go ahead and click on General. Inside General, click on iPhone storage, and from here you want to look for Instagram. Inside Instagram, click on Offload app, and right after clicking that option, a new button will appear called Reinstall app. You simply want to click on that button and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.